Today we have a 1996 993 Turbo GT2 Evocation because it looks the part, it has plenty of power, but it's got all the amenities of a 993 Turbo, including, but not limited to, air conditioning that works really well. So it's got all the looks and the go, and is a very special car, a very special build, not seen often. So let's fire it up and take it for a ride and show you its net worth. Okay, well, here's our cold start. Let's get it on the road. Let's warm it up. I've logged many miles in this 993 Turbo because I've used it personally and can confirm it does everything right. I have put a nice radio in it. Oh, look. And look, it's Sammy Hagar. I can't drive 55. So, fitting. Let's shut that off. I put on a wonderful magnet for your cell phone. Should you choose, you can actually take a call because that's got Bluetooth capability. It has got 79,000 kilometers from new, which is basically 50 some odd thousand miles. Again, it's got the look of a GT2 on the exterior, but all the amenities and the comforts of a 911 993 Turbo. So, you know, it's pretty special. It did have a phone in it at some point, so it still has a holder, which I have not changed, and I've been thinking about, I know this is not what everyone would do, but that would be a perfect place for a cup holder. You don't want to spill your iced coffee. So let's warm it up, take it down the boulevard. We'll take a few of these local roads leading up to our flybys. Well, she is all warmed up. We're just going to go through the gears. Obviously, we've been cruising in traffic, and it will do that extremely easily around town. It's beyond usable, even though it looks like a race car from the outside. Fourth gear, fifth gear, 40 miles per hour. Downshift a little bit. So as we go into one of my favorite on-ramps, you can turn in, lay the power on. Third gear, a wonderful turn in. This particular car calls for the open road given its power. It's got a great sound. Not too much, not too little. Here we go. As you can see from those moments where you goose it, it revs out incredibly quickly. And luckily there's a lovely red line, or rev limiter I should say, at the red line. Cruising in sixth gear, it'll do all day long, about 60 miles per hour. She's really a joy to drive. It's got a lot of old world, yet a lot of the new world finesse, and I've driven the car from state to state and enjoyed every moment of it. And don't we always say it, it is docile as well when not used in anger. So we'll be right back here in a couple of minutes. with the flybys. As you can see, there's nothing this car does wrong. If you're looking for a special Porsche, this is it. My little 993 GT2 Evocation. I hope everyone enjoyed the road test today. By all means, if anyone has any questions, you know how to find us, and we look forward to any questions you may have.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our road test video for this 1996 Porsche 911 993 twin turbo GT2 Evocation. As you can see, it's got larger fender flares, BBS LM wheels. Looks awesome here in silver. Larger GT spoiler, comes together in a really nice package with that front lip spoiler. Now let's take a look inside. That red is absolutely gorgeous with the white face dials. And for more information, please visit our website at Autosport Designs. Thank you for watching.